Coucou mes chers amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Hello everyone, my name is Anastasia. In today's video we're going to learn some very basic French vocabulary. We will continue the topic of the previous video, so if you haven't seen it yet, please check it out. And we will learn how to introduce ourselves, and especially we will look at some questions that you may ask someone you don't know. If you've been following my YouTube channel for a while, then you already know how I teach. I explain French pronunciation in a very detailed way. I literally show you how to move your mouth and how to articulate French sounds. If you're new here, then welcome to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to like this video. And keep watching if you want to sound French. Ok les gars, on commence. As usual, make sure to repeat everything with me and to imitate my articulation. It's very important if you want your muscles to remember the pronunciation. Let's get started. And the first question, comment vous appelez-vous? Or, tu t'appelles comment? First of all, what's the difference between those two phrases? In the first one, we have comment vous appelez-vous? And in the second one, comment tu t'appelles? Both pronounce vous and tu are translated as you in English. But in French, there's a big difference. You want to say you to a group of people or to someone maybe you respect, or just to someone in a formal situation, like to your teacher or just a person you don't know. And you will say tu to one single person, first of all, or to your friend or member of your family. So vous, it's for plural or for more formal situations, and tu is for friends, family in formal situations, or for a single person. And the pronunciation of this question, comment vous appelez-vous? Comment, o, open your mouth for o, comment. Anasala, nasal A sound. Start your sound here, you pull it up, and the sound goes out. Meanwhile, you don't move your jaw, it's quite tense. You pronounce the sound and only then you relax your jaw or move it. Comment. You stop here for a second. Comment. Comment vous. Usually we don't read S in this vous, but as the next word starts with a vowel, we can pronounce this S letter as Z sound. And here we have comment vous appelez-vous. Vous appelez. Vous, when you pronounce ou, you pull your tongue back. Vous you smile a bit when you pronounce I and you breathe out. Za, your tongue is here, you can see it laying on your lower teeth. Vous appelez-vous. You can actually say comment vous appelez-vous or vous appelez-vous. Here you can pronounce or emit this sound because it's E caduc. Tu t'appelles comment? Tu. When you pronounce U, your lips go forward. U. And your tongue touches your lower teeth. It's important that your tongue is just near your lower teeth. Tu t'appelles? Belle. Open your mouth widely for this E sound because this is E ouvert, open E sound. Tu t'appelles comment? The same word. Comment. The answer is je m'appelle Nastia. Je. Here we have two sounds, je and e. In some cases, this e can be omitted, but here we must pronounce it. Je. How to pronounce? What are the mechanics of this sound? Your lips go forward, as if you wanted to kiss someone. You can see here that it's around. And your tongue slightly touches your lower teeth, so it's very close. Je m'appelle Nastia. Or you can say moi c'est Nastia. Moi, w sound. Moi c'est Nastia. C'est mon mari Alex. C'est, open E, c'est mon O nasal, nasal O sound, mon mari Alex. Mon. You start, it's the mechanics of the nasal O sound are the same as for nasal A sound. So you start it here, you pull it up, it goes out, and you don't move your jaw. Mon. Mon. But the shape of your mouth is like you want to pronounce O sound. O. Mon. C'est mon mari. Voici ma femme. It's basically the same. Voici. Wa. Voici. Wa. Voici ma femme. M are pronounced as A. Femme. And E is not pronounced in the end of this word. Femme. Et toi. Et toi. Toi. French nice to meet you is very short. You just say enchanté. You have two nasal A sounds here. Enchanté. Et fermé. Closed A sound. You smile when you pronounce it. Enchanté. If you're a girl, then you would say the same thing, but you will write with just one more E in the end. Vous venez d'où? Where are you from? Vous, we don't pronounce S. Vous venez. Here we have the same E sound as in je, so we pronounce it in the same way. Our tongue is near our lower teeth and we move our lips forward. Venez. Et. And here we smile. It's E fermé, closed E sound. Vous venez d'où? When you pronounce ou, push your tongue back. Vous venez d'où? Or tu viens d'où? Tu, our tongue touches our lower teeth and our lips go forward. Tu viens. We have three sounds here. V, y, and nasal E sound. Un, viens. Viens. To pronounce it, you also start the sound here and it also goes up and out, but here you relax your jaw and you breathe out when you pronounce it. And you smile. Viens. Tu viens d'où? Je suis de Los Angeles. Je suis. We have UI sound here. You start here. U. Your tongue touches your lower teeth. Suis. You start U here and you go there. I. Suis. Very quickly because it's one sound. Je suis de, the same as in je. Je suis de Los Angeles. Or j'habite à Los Angeles. J'habite, is not pronounced, à Los Angeles. Quelle est votre profession? Or quelle est ta profession? Quelle est? We have two open S sounds. That's why we open our mouth widely. Quelle est ta profession? Profession. Sion. Yon. We have nasal O sounds just in the end. On. Profession. Je suis docteur. Je suis. You can also actually hear suis. It's a very colloquial way to pronounce these two words. Je suis docteur. Docteur. Je suis docteur. You open your mouth widely for O and to pronounce sound. Your tongue is near your lower teeth and you just open your mouth widely and your lips go forward. And you can also say je travaille comme docteur. Je, the same caduc sound. Je travaille comme O ouvert, open O. Open your mouth widely. Comme docteur. O and sound. Both sounds are open, ouvert, so open your mouth widely. The difference between O and is actually here, the form of your mouth. Pay close attention. O, O, docteur. And the last one, je travaille chez moi. Je travaille chez, and you smile when you pronounce E fermé, closed E sound. Chez, that is not pronounced. Moi, moi. Je travaille chez moi. And now, guys, it's your turn. Let's practice at least the vocabulary. Write me in comments about you. Introduce yourself in French. Ok les gars, that's all for today. Know that I'm very proud of you. And thank you for our work. I hope I will see you in my next videos. Merci les gars, bisous et au revoir.